Good morning students. In previous class we were doing chapter number 4 and in that chapter we were doing factorization. Today we are going to continue with the same chapter, chapter number 4 factorization. Today we will start exercise number 4D. Before starting exercise 4D, we will learn two identities which are new to you. Okay, so first we will learn the identities, two new identities, and then we will solve questions related to that identity. The first identity which we are going to learn today is AQ plus BQ. AQ plus BQ is equals to A plus B. Second bracket A square minus AB plus B square. Second identity which we are going to learn today is A cube minus B cube is equals to A minus B in one bracket. In second bracket A square plus AB plus B square. So to solve exercise 4D, we have to remember, we have to learn these two identity. You have to learn this two identity. So after learning the identity, you will able to solve the sums. Okay, so what are the sums? Which are the sums which we are going to solve today? So I am starting question number first of exercise 4D. So you learn these two identities, and after learning the identities, you start solving exercise 4D. So exercise 4D, first question we have to factorize at x cube plus 343 y cube. At x cube 343 y cube. X cube is a cube of x and y cube is a cube of y. And we know that 8 is a cube of 2 and 343 is a cube of 7. So in place of at x cube we will write 2x ka whole cube, that is 2 cube 8 x cube. 343 is a cube of 7, so in place of 343 I am writing 7 and y in place of y cube I am writing y. So 7 y ka whole cube. Cube of 7 343 cube of y cube. Cube of 2 8 cube of x cube. So what we have done, we have converted 8 and 343 as a 2 and 7 because 8 is a cube of 2 and 343 is a cube of 7. So now we get this A cube plus B cube. Now we will apply the identity A cube plus B cube here. So we know that A cube plus B cube. A cube plus B cube is equals to A plus B bracket A square minus AB plus B square. So we have 2x ka whole cube plus 7y ka whole cube. So in place of A we will write 2x plus 7y. In place of B, that is A plus B, A square, that is we will put bracket 2x square minus 2x into 7y plus b square. B square means 7y ka whole square. Final expression we will get 2x plus 7y in one bracket. In second bracket we will get 2x square, that is 4x square minus 14xy because 2 7 are 14, xy 7 ka square 49, y ka square y square. So this is the final expression for your question. We have factorized at x cube plus 343y cube as a 2x plus 7y in one bracket. In second bracket 4x square minus 14xy plus 49y square. Now we will solve second question. See the second question. Three x cube plus 3x cube plus 1 by 9. So x is a cube of x cube is a cube of x, but here it is 1 by 9. 1 by 9 is not a cube of anything. So what we will do, we have 3 here. We will take 3 as a common first. So what we will do, we will try to form a cube plus b cube here. Okay, so what we will do, first of all, we will take 3 common from here. So it will become x cube plus 1 by 27. Why 1 by 27? Because 3 into x cube, 3x cube. 3 ones are 3. 3 upon 27, where we are going to cancel 3 and 27. 3 are 3. 3 9 are 27. So in place of 9, what will come? 27 will come. Because 3 is in numerator here, we are taking common from numerator. So here there is no 3 in numerator. So we will multiply 3 to the denominator. Or you can write, if you want to write, into 3 upon 3. 9 3 are 27 and 3 1 are 3. 3 will become common. So now we see that x is a cube of x and 1 by 27 is a cube of 1 by 3. So what we will write? We will write 3 as a common. X is a cube of x cube and 1 by 27 is a cube of 1 by 3. So here we will apply a cube plus b cube. So we learn what is the identity a cube plus b cube. So 3 in one bracket a plus b, in second bracket a square minus a b plus b square, that is 1 by 3 ka square. So final expression which we will get, that is 3x plus 1 by x, in second bracket x square minus x by 3, or you can write 1 by 3x. So x is x by 3 plus 1 ka square 1, 3 ka square 9. So this is the final expression for this given question. What we have done, we have taken 3 from both the term common, and so when we are taking 3 common from here, so that 1 by 9 will become 1 by 27. Now it is easy for us now to solve this question by, because we will apply a cube plus b cube, identity a cube plus b cube. So we have applied a cube plus b cube here, so we finally got this answer. Now we will solve one more question of this exercise. So today we will finish this chapter and 2 more questions we will learn today. So the third question we will do 64 a to the power 6 then minus 729 b to the power 6. Now here this question is little bit difficult, because in this we will do in 2 stages. Because first here we are getting a to the power 6 and here we are getting b to the power 6. We have learned today a cube plus b cube, identity a cube plus b cube, which are cubic identities. Now first we will convert this into square identity. How? A to the power 6, we can write a cube ka square, a to the power 3 की whole power 2, 3 2 जा 6, and 64 is a square of 8. So what we will do, we will write 8 a to the power 3 का whole square. 8 का square, 8 8 जा 64, a to the power 3, 3 2 जा 6, a to the power 6. The same as it is here, 729 is the square of 27. So in place of 729 I will write 27 and b to the power 6 I will write 3 here square. 27 ka square, 27 into 27 729, and b to the power 3 into 2, 3 2 ja 6, that is b to the power 6. So now we get a square minus b square. This 8a cube we will consider as a whole quantity, that is a, and my a square minus 27b cube we will consider as the b. So b square. So a square minus b square. We know that a square minus b square is equals to a minus b and a plus b. So what we will do, we will write here 8a cube minus 27b cube, that is a minus b and a plus b. 8a cube plus 27b cube. Which identity we have applied here? A square minus b square, that is a minus b, a plus b. Now further we will solve for a cube minus b cube and a cube plus b cube. This is the identity a cube minus b cube and this is a cube plus b cube. Why a cube minus b cube? Because 8 is a cube of 2 and 27 is a cube of 3. So we can form an identity a cube minus b cube. How? 2a का whole cube minus 3b का whole cube square bracket 8a cube again 2a का whole cube plus 3b का whole cube. So we will apply a cube minus b cube. A cube plus b cube. So a cube minus b cube we will write a minus b, that is 2a minus 3b in second bracket a square. A square means 2a ka square. 2a ka square we will write down directly 4a ka square minus o plus. Whenever we have a minus sign here we will write here plus 4a square. So 2a into 3b, 2a into 3b it will become 6ab plus 3b ka square, 3 ka square 9, b ka square, b square. So a cube minus b cube, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So here in second bracket a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube, 2a plus 3b. In second bracket we will write a ka square, that is 2a ka square, that is 4a square minus ab. Minus ab means in place of a we have 2a, in place of b we have 3b. So 2a into 3b we will get minus ka 6ab plus b square. B square means 9b square. So this is the final answer of your question. In this question what we have done, we have converted the given expression first into a square minus b square because we was having a to power 6 here and we know that a to power 6 we can write a to power 3 the whole power 2 and 64 is the square of 8. 8 ka square 64, a to power 3 into 2 that is a to power 6. Same 729 is the square of 27. So we wrote 27 b cube ka whole square because 27 ka square 729 and b to power 3 into 2 that is 6. So what we have done, a square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b. Then further we have converted this 8a cube and 27b cube as a cube minus b cube, a cube plus b cube. So it becomes a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, and here a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Now we will solve fourth question. So whenever you have a power, whenever you are having a power 6, what you will do, just convert that into cube and then square. So it will become square power, so you will apply a square minus b square plus and then further you will solve for a cube plus b cube or a cube minus b cube. Now we are having the next question, that is numerical. You have a 0.68 का whole cube plus 0.13 का whole cube, okay, and upon you have given 0.68 का square minus 0.68 into 0.13 plus 0.13 का square. We have given this question. So what we have to solve, we have to find a numerical answer for this. What we will do, we know that 0.68 का whole cube plus 0.13 का cube whole cube, that is a cube plus b cube. What we will do in numerator, we will apply an identity a cube plus b cubes, that is a plus b in one bracket and second bracket a square minus ab plus b square. So what we will do, I will write 0.68 plus 0.13 in one bracket, that is a plus b, a plus b. In second bracket I will write down that 0.68 का whole square minus 0.68 into 0.13 plus 0.13 का square. In denominator, what we will take? In denominator, we will write the same term 0.68 का whole square minus 0.68 0.13 plus 0.13 का square. So we see that this term, this expression and this expression are same. So what we will do? We will cancel it completely because they are the same expression, and this final expression will add up, so we will get our final answer. So what we will get? See, 8 and 3, it will become 11, that is 1, and 6 plus 1 7, 7 and 1 8, so 0.81 is the final answer for the given questions. What we have done in numerator, we have applied identity a cube plus b cube, that is a plus b in second bracket a square minus ab plus b square. So we see that the second expression of this and denominator, given denominator are same, so we will cancel both the expressions, so only we will get 0.68 and 0.13. When you will add this both the value, you will get 0.81. Okay, this is the final answer. Now we are going to solve last question of your chapter, that is a to power 6. The last question today. Today's last question. Now we will solve a to power 6 plus 28 a to power 3 plus 27. We have a binomial expression but of having highest power 6, and we have a lowest power is a to power 3. So again we will solve this question as substitution in place of, because we cannot divide this question as a middle term split right now because power is 6 and power is 3. What we will do, simply we will put, to make this simple, we will write a to power 3 as a x and a to power 6, that is a to power 3 ka square, 3 to the 6, that is a to power 6 we will write down as a x ka square. So in place of a to power 6 we will write down x square, in place of a cube we will write down x. So this will become x square plus 20x plus 27. Now it will become easy for us to split the middle term. You can also solve this question by splitting the here also, but we are solving as a substitution here because it will become more easier for you. So now it becomes x square plus 28x plus 27. In previous classes we have learned about how to solve splitting the middle term. So 27 is 27, so we'll write down 28 in such a way that in addition it will gives you 28 and as a product it gives you 27. Simply we will write down x square plus 27x plus x, because 27 plus x 28, 27 is 27. So what we will do, we will take from here x as a common, so x plus 27, we will take 1 as a common from here because from here we are not having anything common, so we will write down 1. So x plus 27 as it is. So finally we will have x plus 27 and x plus 1. In last we will put again the value of x. The final we was question in variable as a x, so we will put the original variable, that is in place of x I will write down a cube plus 27, again in place of x a cube plus 1. Further we will solve this question as a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube, because 27 is the cube of 3 and 1 is the cube of 1. So we will continue these questions here. Again, I am rubbing this board. I am rubbing these three states here. So what I will do in a cube plus 27. So a cube plus 27, 27 is the cube of 3. So I am writing here 3 ka cube. A cube plus 1 is the cube of 1. So further we will solve a plus 3 bracket a square minus ab means minus 3a plus 3 ka square 9. A cube plus 1 will become a plus 1 and a square minus a1 means minus a plus 1 ka square 1. So this is your final answer of given questions. So this is last topic of your chapter. So in next chapter, in next video we will start new chapter. Okay, thank you very much. Hope you will do practice at your home and you will learn all the questions properly. Thank you very much. Have a good day.